In the pandemic, his noble initiative ensured that hospitals did not turn away economically weaker COVID-19 patients. Driven by compassion, he became a link between hospitals and vulnerable groups, ensuring that no one was unjustly denied beds. Kapil Chopra's NGO, Charity Beds, became a blessing for COVID-19 patients. Even as hospitals ran short of beds, which led to distress, Charity Beds helped people find vacant beds without much hassle. The Oberoi Group's former president used social media to collate credible information that saved several lives amid the pandemic. Chopra's team tweeted every single hour, sharing the status of availability of beds in every hospital. The Twitter community retweeted, and it became the most authentic information bank to help people avail beds, blood, or plasma.
In the pandemic, I think the biggest contribution that Charity Beds was simplifying hospital bed information. So, due to our network across hospitals in Delhi, across ICUs, and across nodal officers with every hospital, we could actually come up with the exact number of beds available at the exact time. We took that number and we summarized it in a series of tweets, and the tweets were going every 15 minutes from my personal handle. How many beds were available? How many were ICU beds? How many were beds with ventilators? And what was the number of the nodal officer that you could contact to actually get a bed during COVID times. I think that was as simple as it could get in terms of COVID, getting information to people, and they could read that information, analyze that information, go to the right hospital, and they could do all this in 30 seconds. I'm very honored, but more than honored, I'm humbled to be a trailblazer. I really don't know what we've done to be a trailblazer, really. But I think this award is to Charity Beds, to my team, both at Charity Beds and Easy Dyna, which actually came together in the pandemic to try and say that the times are tough and they're challenging, but let's try and make a difference and let's make the lives of people easier. Picking up from Delhi, a lot of other cities also picked up what we were doing. So I saw a handle in Bangalore, I saw a handle in Mumbai, I saw a handle in Nagpur, exactly doing what we were doing. And that was the whole idea, that if citizens actually could come together and make a big difference.